In this activity, we are going to do 4 things. The first one is we want to change the font size. The second one, before the first stanza of the poem, we want to leave some space. And then the third thing that we have to do is after each line, we have to leave some space, and that is known as line spacing. And the fourth thing, we have to shift the second stanza towards the right margin, just like what is given in the text. So first of all, we are going to change the font size. So for that, we have to select the entire document, here the poem, and then you know how to change the font size. From the font size window, you can change the font size. I am changing the font size to 12, and then I am changing the font style also. I am changing that to Century School Book. And now the second thing, we'll change that to 14 for you to view that. I think 12 is too small, so 14. And then as I told you, we want to leave some space before the first stanza of this poem. So you bring the mouse pointer here near Y of you. You can see the cursor there, isn't it? And now we want to leave some space before that. So for that, from format, paragraph, and here you have to select the tab indent and spacing, and we want to leave some space above the first stanza. So from spacing, here we have two options, above paragraph and below paragraph. And since we want to leave the space above the paragraph, I am selecting above paragraph. I am selecting the value as 0.5. We need just a small gap. So did you get some space here? So that is spacing. And then, so we did the first and the second thing. And then the third thing is what? Line spacing. After each line, we want to leave some space, isn't it? We'll refer that poem. So here after each line, we have some space. So for that, we have to select this poem. We don't need that short introduction for the poem. We are selecting the poem, and again from format menu, we are selecting paragraph, and again the tab that we have selected is indent and spacing only, and here we have line spacing. Did you see that? And here below that we have the spacing as what? Single. And when you bring the mouse pointer towards that small triangle, and when you click there, we will get the other options, and from here we will select the option as 1.5 lines, and then you have to select OK. So here, did you get the spacing after each line? Only if you select this, you will get the spacing. If you don't select, you will not get it. And now the fourth thing is what? We want to shift the second stanza of this poem towards the right margin. So for that, you have to select the second stanza, and then again from format menu, we are selecting paragraph, and again the tab that you have to select is indent and spacing, and then did you see this indent? And here we have the option before text and after text. Here we want to leave some space before the second stanza, isn't it? So it is before the text. So here we will change the value. I want the value as 4. First I'll make the value as 1, and then I'll show you whether there is any difference. Here we got some space, isn't it? You can see that. So we will select, if you are selecting only one line, before that single line you will get the space. So here we want space before the whole stanza. So you have to select that stanza. Again from the same thing, format, paragraph, then from indent and spacing before text, I told you I want the value as 4. So we'll click on that small triangle, and each time when you click, the value will be increased, and now we got the value as 4, and then we'll give OK. So here we got the space, isn't it? Any doubt?